Want to know how to understand codes easily in cloud? So if you are having any problem with understanding codes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily understand them in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Claude AI application or the website, and you should be under this interface. And on the top left side you should be seeing this plus icon right here, just like that, and you should be under this interface right here. And now understanding coding is super simple. So you can just simply hit on the code right here, and sometimes you should be given a specific code. So first things first, I'm just going to tell the cloud to write any simple Java code. Now once it starts writing its Java code and once it stops, and if I want to understand a certain specific part of coding, let's say the first line, so I can just prompt it just like this. So once you have prompted up, as you can see right here, a cloud should help you understand the code in a detailed way. So you can also do it with various codes and other lines as well. So you can also explain technical or ask technical questions like how does hello world become prompt, and it should give you a proper example just like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.